Hi friends, welcome to another video of Big Tech Talk. In today's video, I will show you how to install MySQL Server and MySQL Workbench on your Mac operating system. By the end of this video, you will have a full working MySQL database and a graphical interface to run SQL queries. So let's start the video. First, let's install MySQL database server. So open your browser and go to mysql.com. You can see a download section. Scroll down and click on MySQL Community Download. And in this page, select MySQL Community Server. It has already selected my operating system, which is Mac. And latest community server versions are available to be downloaded. For Apple Silicon Mac, such as M series, download ARM package. For Intel Macs, download x86 package. Click on download. Now it will ask you to log in or sign up. But there is an option to skip and download directly. So I will click on no thanks, just start my download. And my download is started. Once the download is completed, double-click on the package. And then click on Allow. And then Continue. And again on Continue. And then click on Agree. Now it's asking, do you want to install the software? Click on Continue. And click on Install. Mac is asking for the user password. Just enter the password. And now it's asking for the root password. This is for MySQL. Click on Finish. And again provide your Mac password and then click on Close. It will ask you to move the downloaded package to Thrash. Yes, I am okay with it, so move to Thrash. So your MySQL Server installation is complete. Let's open the terminal and see if we can access MySQL from there. And if I type MySQL-version, it will throw MySQL command not found. This is because MySQL is not in our environment path. So where is MySQL? MySQL is under /user/local directory. Since we have installed MySQL 9.7, so that's our path. And here is our bin folder. So we need to add this MySQL path in our path variable. So in your home location, type vi.zshrc and then type export path equals MySQL path /bin and then the path variable. This will add MySQL to your environment path. Save the file and source it so that MySQL path is available to use. And now if I type MySQL-version, it will give me MySQL version which we have installed. Now let's install MySQL Workbench. So go back to Community Download page and click on MySQL Workbench and download ARM 64-bit DMG archive. Once the download is completed, double-click on the package and drag MySQL Workbench to application. So MySQL Workbench is also installed. Let's go to Apps and open the MySQL Workbench. Click on the plus icon to add a connection to MySQL Workbench. Now give a connection name. So I will write as localhost. Hostname is fine. Port number is also okay. Our user is root. And for the password, click on keychain. I will give the password as test12345. and then click on OK. So we have added a localhost connection in MySQL Workbench. Click on Connection and go to Schema. This is a section where your schema will go. So let me try to create a schema and see if it works. So I will write create schema demo_db. And if you execute it and refresh the schema, you can see our schema is created. Now let's try to add a table. And if I execute it and refresh the schema, you can see our table. Now let's try to add some records in the table. Let's execute it. So our records are added. Now let's select the records. So select asterisk from demo_db.employee. And if I execute it, you can see these are the records which we have just now inserted. So with this, we have reached to end of our today's video. We have successfully installed MySQL Server and MySQL Workbench on Mac. We have also created a schema and a table in our database. So with this, I will wrap up today's video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Do hit the like button and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.